In this particular question, we have to find the area of the shaded region. Now, from this figure, you can easily observe this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, and this is a sector O, C, and D. Okay, this is a smaller sector having an angle of 30 degree. Theta is 30 degree, and radius for this sector is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now for the bigger sector, angle is what? Bigger sector is what? O, A, and B. For that, theta is again 30 degree, but here radius becomes 21 degree. If we have to find the area of the shaded region, we have to subtract from the bigger sector to the smaller sector. So area of shaded region, तो क्लास 10th में एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें आप बहुत आसानी से चीज़ों को कर सकते हैं. बस आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कि फिगर में आपको क्या दिया हुआ है. यू कैन टेक ऑल्सो द कॉमन पाई 30/360, देन 21 स्क्वायर माइनस 7 स्क्वायर, और बहुत जल्दी कर सकते हो. ये 1/12 हो गया, दैट इज π/12.
Yes.
And from here, a square minus b square, that is 21 plus 7, 21 minus 7, and it makes your calculation so easy. And after that, you can solve and find out the answer.